Once upon a time in a small town nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a young girl named Aisha. Aisha was known for her bright smile and kind heart, but she had a secret desire that she kept hidden from her strict parents. She loved applying mehndi on her hands. In their conservative household, Aisha's parents disapproved of such adornments, believing them to be frivolous and unnecessary. They wanted their daughter to focus on her studies and practical skills rather than indulging in what they considered mere decoration. Despite their warnings, Aisha couldn't resist the allure of mehndi whenever she saw it at weddings or festivals. One sunny afternoon, Aisha's cousin Sarah was getting married, and the whole town was buzzing with excitement. Aisha was thrilled but also conflicted because she knew her parents wouldn't approve of her getting mehndi done. However, her longing to participate in the festivities overpowered her apprehensions. As the wedding day arrived, Aisha found herself drawn to the bustling market where intricate mehndi designs were being applied. She hesitated for a moment, thinking about her parents' strict rules. But then she made a bold decision. With trembling hands, she sat down and allowed the mehndi artist to decorate her hands with beautiful swirls and patterns. The moment the mehndi dried and turned a deep shade of red, Aisha felt a rush of happiness and liberation. She admired her hands with a mixture of nervousness and delight, knowing that she had defied her parents' wishes but also feeling a sense of empowerment in her choice. At the wedding, Aisha's joy was contagious. She danced with her cousins, greeted the guests with a newfound confidence, and reveled in the celebrations like never before. Her mehndi became a topic of conversation, admired by everyone who saw it. Aisha felt radiant, realizing that sometimes following her heart was just as important as obeying her parents. As the night wore on and the festivities reached their peak, Aisha's parents noticed her hands adorned with mehndi. At first, they were taken aback, but seeing their daughter so happy and vibrant softened their hearts. They couldn't help but smile at her infectious joy and realized that perhaps a little bit of tradition and celebration wasn't such a bad thing after all. From that day on, Aisha learned that it's okay to cherish traditions and express herself, even if it meant going against her parents' expectations occasionally. Her love for mehndi continued to be a part of her life, a symbol of her independence and the joy she found in embracing her cultural heritage. And so, amidst the music and laughter of that memorable wedding, Aisha found not only beauty in her mehndi but also a deeper understanding of herself and the importance of following her